Good morning. We are on to letter M this week. Letter M is a pretty easy sound to make. You just have to put your lips together. That's the sound that M makes. We're going to learn to write it today. Letter M can be a little bit tricky because it's different with uppercase and lowercase, but we're just going to do our best. So once you have your name at the top of your paper, we will move on to uppercase M. So follow along with my finger. We start at the top when we make an M and we pull straight down. Then wherever we started, we touch that point and we come down on a diagonal and then up on a diagonal and then straight down. So there's lots of different ways that our lines go. So it makes it a little bit tricky, and we have to make sure that they're pointed at each top and bottom there. And then lowercase m, we start at the top, but then we go right back up with one hump over and down, and then back up again with another hump. And we just have to make sure that when we go right back up, that we really stay on that line and there's no curves or loops. So let's just give it a shot and try our best, okay? So let's go ahead with our rainbow writing and start with our red. So let's go up to the top. We're gonna pull straight down to the bottom, okay? And wherever you started, that's where you touch, okay? And we're gonna go down on a diagonal, right back up, and then straight down. So sometimes it's hard because our paper wants to move around. This is a little bit hard too. I'm at like a weird angle. So I totally understand. So try to hold your paper still, and our arm needs to kind of do a lot of work here. So let's try lowercase. So remember, we start at the top and then we go right back up. Ready? Let's pull down. We go right back up with one hump over, and then right back up with our next hump and over. Very good. We'll get the hang of this. Let's move on to orange. So let's remember, always start at the top and we pull straight down, touch the top, and it's all one motion, down to a point, up to a point, and then straight down. And lowercase, start at the top, pull down, then we come up and over with our first hump, and then up and over with the second. I think we're gonna get this. So let's move on to yellow. Are we ready? Let's start at the top, pull straight down, touch the top. We're pulling down to our point, up to a point, and then straight down. Very good. Let's go ahead, do lowercase, start at the top, down, right back up and over, and then right back up and over. And I want to show you what I mean by the loops. So if we're doing lowercase right here and we pull down and we go right back up and over, what we don't want are these loops in the middle, okay? So that's why we have to try our best to go straight right back up on that line, okay? So let's move on to our next color, which is green. So let's start at the top, pull straight down, touch the top, let's go down, up, and back down. And then lowercase, start at the top, pull down, right back up and over, and right back up on that line and over again. Very good. Let's move on to the next color in our rainbow, which is blue. Are you ready? Let's pull down, touch the top. We're gonna go down to a point, up to our point, and back down. And lowercase, start at the top, down, up and all the way over, and then right back up and all the way over. We're moving on to our last color of our rainbow, whoops, which is purple. Okay, so get out your purple. Let's start at the top, down, touch the top, down again, up to the point, and all the way down. Lowercase, let's pull down and go right back up and over, and right back up and over. Not too bad, I hope you're catching on. Let's trace the letters that are at the top. You pick any color you want. I'm gonna stick with purple. Are we ready? So we touch the top, pull straight down, then touch the top again. We come down, right back up, and then straight down. And let's do lowercase. Start at the top, we pull down and go right back up and over, and right back up and over. Very good. There's some space down here on the bottom of our paper. Let's make a uppercase M. So just pick a spot to start, and we pull straight down, then touch the top, and remember it's a slanted line, diagonal line, down, up, and down. It's tricky, isn't it? I hope you did a great job. I'm sure you did. If not, just practice again. And let's do lowercase. Pick a spot to start, one line down, right back up with your hump all the way down and over, right back up, next hump, all the way over. And again, if yours doesn't look like the way that you know it should look, just get some more paper, practice again, do your best. There's lots of opportunity to practice this week writing letter M. Also, don't forget, I want you to think of words that begin with M, okay? So do your very best, okay? I will see you tomorrow. Bye.